guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janelle, and today we are going to be doing this makeup look. I've got some new products that I picked up from Amazon that I'm excited to try out. Now, I don't want to keep you guys too long with my introduction, so without further ado, grab your makeup bags, grab your products, and let's get this video started. Alright guys, we're going to start off this makeup look with some primer, because as Nikki Tutorials would say, not to prime is a crime. And before I go in with my foundation, I'm going to first spritz on some of my 1802 Beekman Facial Toner Mist. And you guys, I love this toner. I absolutely love it. It's a bi-phase toner, as you guys can see. Today I'm going to start off with the Il Makiage Woke Up Like This foundation. This is in the shade 140. Has anyone tried this foundation? Do you like it? Let me know in the comments how you feel about this foundation. When I got back into makeup, this was the first foundation that I had purchased. Not this bottle, but I've been through a few bottles of this. And first I'm going to go in with my Il Makiage foundation brush to apply everything. And then I'll go in with the Beauty Blender to buff everything out. And now I'm going to go in with my Marshmallow Beauty Blender and blend everything out. Now I'm going to go in with my Glossier Stretch Concealer in the color G5. I absolutely love this concealer. It is so creamy and just so blendable. And I really enjoy this concealer because it's like one of the only concealers that I found that is a good match. I don't know. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on the high points and under my eyes. I'm going to go ahead and put some on my chin and some right there. You guys, I got some new products today that I'm excited to show you that I picked up on, believe it or not, Amazon. So we are going to be jumping into those pretty soon. Now I'm going to go in with my blender and I'm going to go ahead and blend everything out. Oh, actually, before I do that, I am going to add my e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter, which I'm very interested to try with this foundation in particular, because I find this foundation is pretty matte. So let's see what this can do. Very interesting applicator. Now that we have added our e.l.f. Halo Liquid Filter, let's go ahead and blend everything out. And today I'm gonna go in with my Halo, everything is named Halo. Like literally. Halo Fresh Perfecting Powder. I really like this powder. I just haven't used it in a long time. So today we're gonna use it. I really like the packaging and how you do like this. And it gives you freshly shaven powder. This powder is really soft. Okay, so now that I've locked my under eyes and my T-zone in place, I'm gonna go in with the Black Radiance Soft Focus Pressed Finishing Powder. And I really like this. This kind of reminds me of a dupe of the Charlotte Tilbury powder. And I'm doing this just to give myself a little bit more coverage under the eyes. I like to really work my powder into my face. That way I don't look cakey. And if you guys have seen any of my other IT videos, which I hope you have, you will know that I have been using this powder and I was in love with it until I started to realize that after about an hour, this powder tends to feel like cornstarch on your face. It's really weird. I don't know. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but it makes my face feel really dry and like I need to wash my face immediately. So I'm gonna switch up my powders and see if I get a different feel. But yeah, I knew there was a reason why this was in the back of my kit. I just couldn't figure out why. That's why. Okay, so now that I have set everything in place, today I'm gonna go in with my Benefit Hoola Treasure Island Blush and Bronzer Duo. And this is a mini. So pretty. And I picked this up because it's just like the perfect little compacted blush and bronzer. I mean, it's perfect for on the go. It's perfect if you're traveling. We're going to go ahead and apply the bronzer shade. And this is the color Hoola Toasted. This bronzer is slightly more red toned than I would like it to be, because I'm not appreciating this bronzer right now. I'm going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics, or it's just Jaclyn Cosmetics bronzer in Top Down. And now we are going to add blush. This is one of the items that I picked up on Amazon, and this is the Laura Geller Better Than Ever Blush Trio. And I got this because, who is Laura Geller, by the way? I was trying to find my favorite blush, which is the Laura Mercier blush bronzer in Ritual, but I couldn't find it. I kept pulling up Laura Geller, and her blushes look very similar with that marbleized effect. So I picked this up. It has 3 colors. This one seemed to match the most. Still not the same, but close enough. So here's the Laura Geller, and then here's the Laura Mercier in Ritual. So I tried. But we are gonna try out this middle one called Pink Buttercream. Well, it's definitely pink. Let's buff it out. It's very shimmery. So I'm going to go in with my, I don't know, Lamelia blush, just to add a little bit more pop of color, but a soft pop. Now let's go ahead and tackle these eyebrows. I'm going to go in with my Essence Fix It Brow Gel. I need to get a new one of these. Oh, that's right. I have one coming. Yay! I have one coming tomorrow. Not this one. But you guys, this one is only $4.99 on Amazon. Not bad. I would give it a try. I love it. I didn't pick this one up because I want to try some other one. I picked up another one that I will be showing you guys in my next video. So make sure that you tap that notification bell so that you be notified when I upload a new video. So I'm going to go in with the tried and true Benefit This eyebrow is like completely missing a spot. But that's the beauty of makeup. You can just draw it in. And now it's time for our eyeshadow. So I'm going to go in with a little bit of concealer. Now I'm going to go ahead and set that concealer in place. I wanted to do a fun, like, duochrome look. One of my favorite duochrome colors is this MAC Skin Finish in Snow Flushed. And I got this a few years back. I don't know what collection this is from. I think it's from In the Stars. I don't remember. But, you guys, it's this pretty pink and gold duochrome skin finish. Oh, it is so beautiful. So I wanted to play around with this today because I've had it in my kit and I just need to use it. It's what I bought it for, right? So first to create my halo eyeshadow look, I'm gonna go in with Pat McGrath Mothership Sublime Seduction palette. And this just has your everyday warm nude color. First, I'm gonna start with, of course, my transition shade, and I'm gonna be going in with this color right here. I just love the Pat McGrath eyeshadows. I'm just gonna bring it up there, just like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply my crease color, and I'm going to use this shade right here. Just so there's like an even transition from the transition shade to the halo effect. Now I'm going to go ahead and start the halo effect. I'm going to start off with this color right here. And the halo effect is really easy to achieve. I'm just gonna pack that on like that. And then I'm gonna deepen it up a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with, I love this palette, my Orgy palette. And if you know, you know. It just has all of the nude shades. And it's just good to have in your kit because if you need a brown, there's one in here. I'm gonna go in with this one right here, Orgy. Just to kind of blend out everything. And now before I start on with the glitter, I'm going to go ahead and work on my lower lash line with the Urban Decay 24/7 Pencil in Perversion. And before that sets, I'm going to go ahead and blend that out. Now I'm going to do my lower lashes because I just like to get this stuff out of the way before I have on any glittery stuff. And I'm going to go in with this little guy called Nobo. It's another tiny mascara applicator, which works best to grab these non-existing bottom lashes that I have. So let's see what it does. Now we're going to add some glitz and some glam. So I'm going to go in with my little eyeshadow applicator because I find these are better than my finger. And I'm just going to stamp this on. And now I'm gonna blend everything together. Now we're gonna add some eyeliner. Go in with the Maybelline Hyper Easy eyeliner. I really like this eyeliner. I had one before and it dried out. Now we're gonna add some mascara. I'm gonna go in with the Telescopic Lift mascara. And then we're gonna add some lashes. I just love lashes. They just really pull the look together. Now look at that. Let's do some lips now. And I'm gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Intense number 3. Okay, I lied. I'm gonna go in with Brownie because that pencil was not working. Now I'm gonna go in with my MAC Black Panther. This is from the Black Panther line, and this is called Story of Home. And then I'm gonna top it off with the Fenty Beauty Hot Chocolate Fantasy Gloss Balm Gloss. Alright guys, we are all finished with our makeup look for tonight, and that's it. We're all done. I just want to play in some makeup. I got some new stuff from Amazon and I just wanted to play around with it. So I thought that I would bring you guys along with me, and I'm really enjoying this look. So I hope that you guys enjoyed it as well. If you did, make sure to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button. The support and the love helps this channel grow, and that is what we want. Alright guys, there you have it. We have completed our makeup look for tonight. I tried out some new products. I've tried some products that I had in my makeup kit already that I have not pulled out in a while. I won't keep you too long. I just wanted to make this video nice, short, and sweet, and to the point. A nice little makeup look for us. So with that being said, have a good night, have a good morning, have a good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. Have a good one. Stay safe, stay beautiful, and stay confident. Bye.